Listen close, friends, raindrops fell today. Bluey peeked outside, clouds turned gray. Bingo grabbed boots, stomping with cheer, splashing in puddles, joy was near. Bluey laughed loudly, tail wagging bright, rain poured harder, soaking the night. Then a figure walked, shiny coat on, a dog in rainwear, strolling along. Bluey gasped quickly, "Look at that style!" Bingo clapped softly, grinning a while. The dog approached, umbrella held high, Bluey wagged warmly, greeting nearby. "I'm Rusty," he said, "raincoat so neat." Bluey barked gladly, "That's quite a treat." Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. Rusty twirled proudly, splashing with flair, Bingo hopped laughing, mud everywhere. They played chase, puddles flew wide, raindrops sparkled, joy couldn't hide. Bluey barked brightly, "Let's build a stream." Rusty nodded quickly, "Great team." They gathered sticks, guiding water's flow, tiny rivers winding, steady and slow. Muffin joined giggling, holding a hat. She slipped quickly, splash goes that. Everyone laughed, the rain kept strong, still their spirits danced along. Rusty shared stories, walking in rain, finding adventure, joy not pain. Bluey listened closely, eyes open wide, dreaming of journeys, side by side. The storm calmed slowly, rainbow appeared, Bingo pointed brightly, colors revered. Rusty removed hood, ears dripping wet, Bluey barked softly, "Best day yet." The rainbow shimmered, glowing so high, hearts felt lighter, reaching the sky. Rusty waved gently, "Time to roam." Bluey whispered kindly, "Come back home." They trotted inside, paws muddy brown, laughter echoed softly, settling down. Bluey curled cozy, dreams taking flight, raincoat adventures filled her night.